Nice. So I'm gonna pop this. It goes up like this. No, don't drop. I'm gonna start washing. Alright, it is ready for action. Remove the supports. It looks so good. And smaller one over here too. Nice. Cure this thing. Put this one in. Put this one in. And click start. Should be done by now. Okay. Looks really good, but what about you? This looks good too. The small one turned out really good. Big one also turned out nice, but there's some residue left over and there's a crack occurred here. Other than that, it also looks good. So we'll see how things are gonna fully turn out.